a few days ago. Now that I've driven it a while, but for some reason it didn't record, I just checked last night, so I'm going to give it another shot now. Because after a week I kind of figured out what I like about it and what I don't like, which isn't really a lot. Because I've never really wanted one of these bikes. It's always looked too big with this crazy big fairing on the front, and just visually it didn't appeal to me. I always loved Harleys, but for some reason I don't know why this one just didn't stick out. But after 1 week, well 10 days now, this is day number 10, if I was ever to do a trip along highways as I'm doing in America, I've got to say this is a bike I would choose for sure. Lots of reasons. The big fairing actually worked with this windscreen. I get a little bit of wind buffeting around the head, but not too much. It's not too crazy. Most of the time I'm going at about 85, 80 miles per hour, that is. So, you know, it's actually not too loud in a helmet. It's got a big gas tank, you know, after maybe every 2.5 hours. Lovely little sat-nav linked into your fuel as well, so when you get into a red area it instantly gives you a little warning on computer to remind you, and also locates the nearest gas station to help you out as well, so that's really cool. These speakers I'm not too sure about. The speakers for music, I just can't see when I'd want to use them, you know. Cruising down a beach, maybe, possibly, I don't know, it's a bit weird. Regarding controls, really easy to use. You've got these little toggles here where my thumbs are, which link up to the computer. I'm not too good at using them yet. You know, normally I'll go on to use them and mess up what I'm trying to do on there, so I'll try and avoid that because it's all touchscreen. Oh, you guys have just had enough of me ranting. This side, straightforward, it's sort of a start, hazard lights, kill switch, whatever. But this side, we've got the different settings on the computer as well, so I'll stay away from that. But the cruise control, never used it on the bike before, and I've got to say, long stretch of road, it's sometimes nice to be able to flick your cruise control off, flick it on, sorry, stretch your arms out, and it's just a way of relaxing a little bit whilst you're driving, you know, keeping your hand on the accelerator all the time. It's a little bit annoying, you know, you don't get to relax his hand at all, and when we're doing these really long stints across straight roads, it's nice to be able to stretch that hand out. Luggage wise, it's got the two back panniers and also the top box. Ample room, you know, I've got a big rucksack, 5 weeks worth of clothes, lots of electrics, other stuff. It fits in there every day. It's a bit of a pain in the arse taking it out, put it in the hotel room, and then put it all back in. But apart from that, this bike is absolutely perfect size-wise for doing long journeys. The big, massive thing I've got to say about this bike is the seat. I've driven loads of bikes, I've driven them over long distance as well, not as long as this, but I've come to say with every single bike I've ridden, when it comes to the end of the day, my ass is in agony. I've got a BMW F800, even that, it's got a big seat, but you know, you ride it a few hours, have a break, get back on it, and then your bum starts hurting. But this massive, big, huge sofa seat, no problems with that whatsoever, you know, my bum is the one thing that isn't hurting. But apart from that, I'm actually liking the look of the bike. I think it looks pretty cool. I've got a lot more miles to do on this bike yet, so maybe I'll have a few problems, maybe I'll discover how to use this thing properly, find some new little bonuses about it, but apart from that, yeah, loving the bike. I think perfect choice for this thing.